about to start a vitamin C facial at Laka Spa. Oh, a head massage. Yay! Feels so good.
Apricot cream cleanser. Is it too hard?
No.
Okay, you can.
So our vitamin C facial is really great for acne prone skin, and it's also great for brightening the skin. They use a machine that sends little electrical pulses that helps restore the skin, and it's like collagen, and we also use a vitamin C serum to help with all of that as well.
Okay. Move your chin.
Oh, sorry. And take off.
Now we're heading over to the refreshment area. Okay, thank you. Wow, thank
Please
you.
enjoy. I push a little bit, yeah?
Okay, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, so I just finished the facial and everything feels like so hydrated. That's the benefit of the machine. Even though like I'm like so afraid of machines, so like I said before, that's why I do a lot of maintenance, because I don't ever want to get like surgery or anything because I hate pain. And then even like the sound of the ultrasound and the electric buzz, that kind of scares me, and it kind of makes me jump when I do the facial. So so maintenance is good. So thank you for joining me on this spa adventure. See you next time. Bye.